Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone. How are you? It's me Faruk Khan. You are watching T&Tech Support. Today I'm going to show you how to use a TADBEER mobile application. This application, if you are staying in UAE, so you will know this application because for a domestic worker, for them this application, because if you are working at any local house or in visa on your any local person, so that any housemaid, any private cook or any drivers, so this all of them they will need this application. And how you will find the job from this application? If you lost your job, and you can find on your application, and there is many work also there. So I hope this application will be very helpful for you, because there is lot of option that you can use, and easy to use that one also. So I will explain on this video, and I will show you how to use that application. So let's start my video. Okay guys, after coming mobile screen, then you have to open the TADBEER application. Then after that you have to click on sign up, and then after that we have to fill the mobile number, that which number is active, then click on next. So after click on next, it will be send the OTP. So we're waiting for the OTP now. OTP will come now. So you can see that the OTP is already arrived. So after that I will fill the OTP, then click on next. Then after you have to put the your name, the full name you have to put here. After that you have to put the email address. Then here on next you have to create the some password, that this password for this application. So for application password you have to create here, and then this one keep it in your mind, that after next time if you want to open this application, so you will need this password. So we're creating the password, so wait please. So after that we will click on sign up, so that you can see very simply it's open already the application. So it's already create the username password already. So that here you can see there is many option. There is a traditional package, temporary package. So here you can see that for the on the left side on three dot in my profile, that what is my profile. Then there is nothing, because I just open now. So after that here you can see that my name, and then my number, and then here you can edit the profile. Then you can see here that you have to scan the passport copy, and then it will be active for here. So I'm going back now. Then here you can see there is a housemaid, and there is some offer. So that here you can see everything is details is here, and then there is many option is there. So if you want to apply, you can apply on only just click on here. And there is also full-time work. There is a housemaid, babysitter, cook, and then there is many option is there. So if you want which one you want to apply for work, you can apply here. So that here for apply, if you want to apply for other company or other house, you can do it also here. So there is also babysitter, you can see babysitter, there is many vacancy also there. So there is also private name. Under private name you can also do the work. So we'll go back, and then here you can see hire own worker. So you can this for also for the all the owners. for the local person also they will need this application. So there is many option you can see there, and there is a vacancy also. So after that we'll go back now. So after that, here you can see there is my profile also here. In profile, if you want to change anything, your passport or your Emirates ID, you can do it here. So you have to allow this one for the candidate yet, so this one you still don't have. So down here you can see that the second one. So after that we will click on the third one. That here you can see there is many company that they are hiring also. So if you want to you can there is, if there is any post for a vacancy, you will see here. So this is pretty good, this application, because when you are going to other company or anything, you can go with the other job, because all people they just want to find another job. So that is the way. And if you want to see here something like for a payment, about payment, you can do also. So this application it's good for the for this application actually from direct immigration, because this visa is only in immigration, no help in Ministry of Labor, because Ministry of Labor they have more application, there is many application, but this one for the any housemaid work they can do. So all this application very helpful for the housemaid, babysitter, private cook, drivers. For all of them this application will need. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if you can if you want to share with your friends and family, you can do it also. Thank you so much.